First, let's talk about design. These earbuds come with foam tips for a snug and stable fit, especially during workouts. The charging case is slightly smaller and now supports MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging. In terms of sound, the AirPods Pro 3 deliver clear and detailed audio, with active noise cancellation, ANC, twice as effective as the previous generation. The transparency mode is also improved, so you can hear your surroundings naturally without compromising sound quality. Some of the new smart features include heart rate sensor built into the earbuds, great for workouts or health tracking. Live conversation translation, perfect for travel. Personalized listening mode, which can turn your earbuds into a mini hearing aid if needed. Battery life is solid, up to 8 hours of continuous playback with ANC, and up to 24 hours with the case. They connect instantly with Apple devices, but Android users might not get all the features. Of course, nothing's perfect. The repairability is very low, meaning if something breaks, fixing it isn't easy. And while these earbuds are great for Apple users, some features won't work on Android devices. Also, there's no customizable EQ, so audio tuning is limited. So, should you buy the AirPods Pro 3? If you're in the Apple ecosystem and want top-notch sound, smart health features, and seamless integration, they're a great choice. Just keep in mind the repairability